Welcome to CardExchange Producer. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install your network license step by step. Step 1. Download the required files. Go to cardexchangeid.com, click on Support, then go to Downloads. Under Network Utilities, download two files: Sentinel RMS License Manager and Machine ID Tool. Once downloaded, open the folder called License Manager. Double-click the Sentinel RMS License Manager to begin installation. Follow the prompts. Click Next, accept the license agreement. Click Next again. Then agree to unlock and finish the setup. Step 2. Generate your machine ID. Now right-click the Machine ID tool and select Run as Administrator. This will generate the machine ID needed to activate your license. Step 3. Create an environment variable. Open your system settings. Go to Advanced System Settings and click on Environment Variables. Create a new system variable with a specific name and a folder path. Make sure the folder exists or create it manually. Click New on the System Variables window. Insert the variable name lsservrc. Copy the path of the previously created folder to the variable value and click OK. Please make sure that the created folder was named as CardExchange Network Licenses. Step 4. Set up the license server. Go back to the License Manager folder, open the Tools folder and run WLM admin. In the top menu, click Edit, then Define Server List. Click Add, then OK to create your server. Right-click the server and select Add Feature from a file to server and its file. Then choose your license file and click OK. Step 5. Connect CardExchange Producer to the server. Right-click on your CardExchange Producer shortcut and select Open File Location. Open the INI file. Look for the line that says License Server and replace it with the IP address of the server. To find your IP address, go to Network and Internet Settings, click Properties, then copy the IPv4 address and paste it into the INI file. Save and close the file. Step 6. Verify the license. Open CardExchange Producer. Go to the Assist tab, then click About CardExchange. Check the product details. If you see Small Business Server, your license has been installed correctly. And that's it. If you have questions or need help during setup, our support team is happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.